Hello everybody, this is going to be the final part of the 2022 patio opening. Just the little miscellaneous loose ends to tie up, get clocks working. I had the one on the patio needed a new battery. It also needed to be cleaned up because the battery leaked. It was that batch of bad Ray-O-Vacs I had. And then also the clock was dead in the building out there where I store the lawnmowers and all the lawn equipment. It just needed a new battery. It hadn't leaked out, fortunately. So now I will show the last little bits of stuff that I did. See, needs a battery in it. The clock is fixed. While I'm getting clocks working, I got another one out here in the building that needed a battery in it. This is the one that was in the bathroom. I've put it out here in my little, where the lawnmowers and stuff are now. Get it set right quick. And it hangs right here. There, got a little clock out here in the building now. I also cleaned my lanterns I assembled last year, which are all still working. Those are all nice and clear once again. And then I hung up all my drill tools for easy access. So we are ready for 2022 backyard season. A little while later, patio's all done, all cleaned up and ready for the season. There's my metal halide light. The fans and lights are working fine, as well as the clock and bug zapper. All ready for another season of awesomeness. Thank you for watching.